Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and last week was quite the week for us. We started out with temperatures that plummeted. We got down to 0 degrees as of a week ago Monday, and we had snow on the ground, followed by even more snow on the ground. We spent a week with several inches of snow, and then yesterday and today, we're at 70 degrees, and that's quite a swing in a week's period of time to go from 0 to 70. And a lot of people are asking what's going on with their plants. We are seeing quite a bit of impact on the shrubs. The Indian hawthorns, we're seeing a lot of damage to. We're seeing fringe flowers that have damage. Some of the palms, which is pretty much what we'd expect. And the biggest question we've got then is this a long-term damage? Are the plants dead? Or will some of these recover? And the short answer is it's kind of hard to tell because it's been a long time since we've seen weather like this. It's been 30 years since we've seen some of these temperatures. What I can say is that a lot of the plants that look like they're struggling today, we really won't know until somewhere around late April or early May. By that point, we'll have had quite a few weeks of warm weather, and a lot of the foliage that looks really bad right now, a lot of times the plants will shed that and they'll come back. Some of the plants that we expect that to happen with are the abelias, maybe the nandinas. There are some other plants that I can remember 30 years ago when we got a similar weather to this, where the Indian hawthorns, a lot of those died, unfortunately, from this kind of weather. Some of the palms, like a sago palm, that probably is not going to come back, or almost certainly won't. The windmill palms, more than likely, those will bounce back because they're a little more winter hardy here. But they're going to look terrible for the next few weeks, and you might even want to cut the fronds off, and then eventually those are going to come back and look okay, but it's going to take a while for those to come back. So a lot of the perennials probably were coming back, you were seeing, and those, my recommendation is if they look dead, don't pull them, but just cut them off to the ground, and those should spring back. Another plant that typically does fine in the wintertime around here, probably got burned back, is a holly fern. So there are just some plants that will take a little while to come back, and a few of them, unfortunately, will not. Some of the pittosporums may not come back. The variegated pittosporum usually does okay in cold weather, but this time around it may not have survived it. We'll just have to wait some weeks to find out. So that's the report on the plants. If you've got questions, if you've got concerns, you're certainly welcome to reach out to us. If you want to send us in photos, I'll be glad to take a look at those and give you my best advice. So this is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, if you find them helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube page or send them on over to family and friends. Thank you very much.